What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our MaxShine USA channel. My name is Josh. Today we're going to be talking about our graphene ceramic coating. We have one with 9 years and we have one with 7 years. So today we're going to go ahead and we're going to go and work on a detached hood that we have prepared for you guys today. Let's go over here. So with our hood today, guys, what we did is we already gave it a little quick wash, a little all-in-one polish with the all-in-one pad. Did that quick. We took off any like small scratches or anything that we don't want on the paint. The thing with ceramic coating is it's a layer of crystallized protection. So you could basically ceramic coat any surface, but anything that's on there, whether it's like a thumbprint or whether it's like a little small bug, it's going to stay on there. So just keep that in mind when you guys ceramic coat, okay? First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and use a prep spray. This is basically a alcohol solution that's gonna take off any any polish we use or any protections that we had on it, whether it's like wax or any sealant that we had on it before. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spray the surface evenly. And another thing, guys, don't take too much time on this. Just make sure to get everything off, like I said, or it's gonna go ahead and stick onto the surface. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and we're gonna give this one more wipe down. Yeah, we don't wanna leave anything on our paint because if we do, it will stick and it will mess up the protection. All right, so now that we got that all prepped, let's go ahead and we're gonna do our ceramic coating. So with ceramic coating, guys, it's a very dangerous base. So the kit does come with gloves. Want to use like a mask or any eyewear or anything like that, we do recommend that just to protect yourself a little bit more than what is provided. This is good for your protection and for the paint's protection, so you guys don't get any thumbprints or anything like that. So first things first, we're gonna want to go ahead and we're gonna shake the bottle just so we can go ahead and make sure that everything is mixed up. With the kit, it does come with 2 pads. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go ahead and prep the pad. So when you're doing the rest of the car, you're only gonna need a few drops, but at first, when you prep the pad, you're gonna wanna do more of like an excessive amount. Just so it goes all through the pad. When ceramic coating your car, make sure you do it in a controlled environment. If not, you know, this can cause high spots, or say if you're outside, any fallout that gets on the car will stick on the car. So make sure to be in a controlled environment. If not, you know, just watch out for those high spots. Do it as fast as you can. And also work in a smaller section. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna work in about like in a 2 by 2 foot section, just so we don't let that dry quick and we can go ahead and keep an eye on it, okay? So we're gonna work in a crosshatch method. In the crosshatch method, guys, make sure to go ahead and overlap 25 to 50%, just to make sure you get it all throughout your car. All right, now that it's all done, we're in a controlled environment, so it might take a little bit longer to go ahead and dry. I'm gonna go ahead and get my microfiber towel, wait for that to dry. What a good thing is if you guys do have a light, you guys will be able to see, it's kind of more of like a rainbowish look on your car to go ahead and to see if it's setting in or not. So you would just kind of like give it a look. And if you don't have the light, you could always just go a little lower and you guys can see where it's setting in at, and that'll help you out a lot. Another tip, guys, while we're letting this dry, is always make sure to cap this. If you don't cap it, the air will get in it and it'll start to crystallize, and basically it's just a bad bottle, so you guys don't want that to happen. All right, let's check this out. I can see it setting in a little bit. Oh, yep, we got the little rainbow effect. Another thing to keep in mind, this is a white hood, so it's a little harder to see the rainbow. So really make sure you pay attention with your light to see if you got that rainbow effect. All right, so this is looking pretty set in. I'm gonna grab my microfiber towel now. Make sure you guys have a brand new towel. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna kind of just level it out with one section of the towel. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna flip our towel. We're gonna give it that extra buff just so it's perfectly even. Once you guys use this towel for the car, you guys have to throw it away. You guys can't wash it and use it again. What it does is the crystals and anything that left over gets stuck on it. So when if you guys use it on your car again, it's gonna scratch the paint. So basically guys, that's pretty much it. Just to make sure you guys work in small sections. And if you guys ever do get any high spots, make sure to correct it with another layer of ceramic coating within the first 2 hours. If not, that's gonna go ahead and harden and you're not gonna be able to do that anymore. So after you guys apply it and apply it on the rest of the car, you guys are gonna wanna wait at least 24 hours. You guys are gonna wanna leave it in a controlled environment where none of the fallout's gonna get on it, and that's gonna stick to the paint. And a lot of people do ask me if you could reapply it again, and the answer is yes, but it's not gonna add more years. You know what I mean? So basically what it's gonna do though, is it's gonna make sure that you guys have everything evenly and throughout the car so your whole car is protected. Kind of just more of like a reassurance type of thing. Just make sure you guys don't wash your car for the first 7 days so it can go ahead and really set in. And then from there on, you guys should do either weekly or bi-weekly maintenance washes, just so you guys can get that full protection of how many every years that it's gonna last. And another thing, guys, do not go to those basic car washes, whether it's like going through one or you guys go through or go to like the self-serve ones. I promise you, it's going to take away, it's gonna strip away that ceramic coating. What we're gonna wanna do, guys, is always use a pH neutral wash. So we got our foaming wash and we got our refresh wash, both pH neutral, both safe on your paint. It won't harm it, it won't take away the protection. And use the graphene detail spray. This kind of just adds more protection to your graphene that's already on there. Because say if you want to use any wax or anything like that, it's just gonna fall off because of that layer that is already on your paint. So that's not gonna go ahead and work. It's pretty much all we got. Like you guys see, it's pretty simple steps, nothing too crazy to it. But if you guys do want to see more details, you guys can go to MaxShineUSA.com. We do have blogs and we do have more information on all of our products. And if you guys have any questions or comments, you guys can either comment down below or go ahead and DM us on either Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, any of that guys stuff. That's MaxShine USA. And that's all for now. Thank you guys. Peace.